this whole situation has become more precarious because of this 35 days gap between the polling and the counting?
Gap of a long period sometimes can be dangerous, can also be counterproductive in both ways.
वो फेल जाला कारण हे फॅसिलिटेशन सेंटर प्रोवायड करून तेणी एक्चुअली कायदो कितें सांगता सगळे पार्टींक सांगपाक जाय कॅन्डिडेटांक सांगपाक जाय की हे फॅसिलिटेशन सेंटराक ह्या टायमार वोटींग जातलें आनी थंय कॅन्डिडेट जावं तेजो इलेक्शन एजंट थंय हजर आसता कारण बीजेपीचे कॅन्डिडेटां कडेन ते लिस्ट पावला मार्क्ड रोलाचो लिस्ट आसा जंय तेजो कोण खंयचे वोटरांक बॅलट पेपर इश्यू जाल्लो आसा तो मार्क्ड रोल
This is a very serious allegation.
हातूंच ह्याच लेटरां अशें आसा की कॉपी ऑफ दिस लेटर शूड बी गिवन टू ऑल कंटेस्टिंग कॅन्डिडेट्स बाय द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर आफ्टर लास्ट डेट ऑफ विथड्रॉल हे दिली ना थंय फॅसिलिटी सेंटर केल्ले काय ना आमकां खबर ना कित्याक खंयचेच कॅन्डिडेटाक खंयचेच इलेक्शन एजंटा हाजे बद्दल कांयच नोटीस येवना एक्चुअली दिवपाक
एक गजाल
बॉक्सां पोस्टल बॅलट घालपाक बॉक्सां रिटर्निंग ऑफिसराच्या ऑफिसांत दवरिल्ली फ्रॉम 21 January to 7th February and there was no control over there. Whereas the handbook clearly says that wherever such boxes are kept, the proceedings should be continuously videographed, ECI observer should be present, and no unauthorized person will be allowed in the vicinity of the box.
हे जालें ना म्हणटा
हे 21 जानेवारी ते 7 फेब्रुवारी कांयच जावना स्टेशन सेंटरा सुद्दां जर वोट घालपाक मेळ्ळेना जाल्यार जे दीस पोलिंग बॉक्सीस डिस्पॅच जाता तेन्ना डिस्पॅच सेंटराक बॉक्सीस दवरची म्हणून ती दवरूं नाशिल्ली. This clearly says that if any voter did not cast vote at the facilitation center, which is part of the training session, or at the dispatch center, then he can vote only by post. So 8 February जे कॅम्प जाला ते इलिगल टोटली. बीजेपीचे कॅन्डिडेट जे आशिल्ले तांचे कडेन ही लिस्ट पावल्या एक फातोर्डा आनी एक सांगे हे दोन्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक पोस्टल वोटराक फोन गेल्या की तुमचे वोट तुम्ही वोट कोणा घालतले ते आपल्याक कळटले घालिना जाल्यार तुमकां त्रास दितले आनी घालता जाल्यार तुमकां
आमकां मॅनिपुलेट करपाक गरज ना आमचे विथ ऑर विदाउट पोस्टल बॅलट आमी निवडून येतलेच गव्हर्नमेंट आमचो जातलोच तेणे पळय एलिगेशन करता पळय पोस्टल वोट हांगा थंय ते लिस्ट पावल्या पळय म्हाका पावना हांव कॅन्डिडेट पार्टी जर हांव रिप्रेझेंट करता हांव कॅन्डिडेट म्हाजे कडेन पावना म्हजें म्हणणें आनी पार्टीचें म्हणणें हें आसता की हो टायम जो दिला तो चड दिला अशें म्हाका दिसता.
What was the manner in which the election commission took care to ensure that there was a sealing of the registers and records where the counterfoils are there? Because my information is that there was no such security which was provided nor steps taken.
Grab this entire this ballot paper voting, fix one day in each constituency, put a machine EVM and finish it off.
Okay. Asking for a re-voting of postal ballot.
A repoll, which is not a big thing.
If there has been no amendment to the statute and the election result could be affected by those votes which have been cast, then the election is liable to be set aside.
I don't know about others, but how they object karta? And the returning officer, in collusion with the CEO, has been continuously dodging this issue, saying that we have referred it, we'll come back to you, referred it, will come back to you.
Not any candidate, not any elector who can file a petition. It would be only one of the contesting candidates who has lost who has to file a petition.
See, I mean definitely approach करतलेच कारण ज्या तरेन वन साइडेड गेम जावपा लागल्याक
it has cast a very unsavory flavor on the role and functioning of election commission, whatever glamour may have been put. But I think these are not matters which should have been brought to public. It should not have been debated anywhere, and it should not have been coming to instill fear and diffidence in the voters what will happen tomorrow.